This is from my dear friend Alan. He's been very poorly. And anyone else who needs a little dose of gorgeous nature. Hopefully you can hear in the background the rooks on this beautiful spring day with all the promise of spring and summer ahead. And I just noticed that it's a kind of cultivated raspberry, I think, this little shrub. I have to look up the correct name for it, but I just realised it's absolutely buzzing with bees and a robin. It looks so beautiful against the blue sky. The bumblebees are busy. Look at that one shaking its thing, doing its little dance. And the rooks are providing